Deals with types of leadership. There are basically two types of leaders, transactional leaders and transformational leaders. Transactional leaders are those who guide or motivate their followers in the direction of established goals by clarifying roles and their requirements. The other one is transformational leaders who inspire the followers to transcend their own self-interest and who are capable of having a profound and extraordinary effect on followers. Transactional leadership style starts with the idea that the team members agree to obey their leader when they accept the job. The term transactional refers to the fact that this type of leader essentially motivates subordinates by exchanging rewards for performance. The transaction usually involves the organization paying team members in return for their efforts and compliance. The leader has a right to punish team members if their work doesn't meet an appropriate standard. Transactional leadership styles are more concerned with maintaining the normal flow of operations and can be described as keeping the ship afloat. A transactional leader generally does not look ahead in strategically guiding an organization to a position of market leadership. Instead, these managers are solely concerned with making sure everything flows smoothly today. Although this might sound controlling and paternalistic, transactional leadership offers some benefits too. For one, this leadership style clarifies everyone's roles and responsibilities. Another benefit is that because transactional leadership judges team members on performance, people who are ambitious and who are motivated by external rewards, including compensation, often thrive. The downside of this leadership style is that team members can do little to improve their job satisfaction. It can feel stifling and it can lead to high staff turnover. A couple of famous examples of transactional leaders are Joseph McCarthy and Charles D. Gully. A transformational leader goes beyond managing day-to-day operations and crafts strategies for taking his company, department or work team to the next level of performance and success. Transformational leadership is often the best leadership style to use in business situations. Transformational leadership styles focus on team building, motivation and collaboration with employees at different levels of an organization to accomplish change for the better. Transformational leaders set goals and incentives to push their subordinates to higher performance levels while providing opportunities for personal and professional growth for each employee. Such leaders provide vision and sense of mission, installs pride, gains respect and trust. It also promotes intelligence, rationality and careful problem solving. Transformational leaders are inspiring because they expect the best from everyone on their team as well as themselves. This leads to high productivity and engagement from everyone in their team. They give personal attention to employees, treat them individually, coaches and advises them. The downside of transformational leadership is that while the leader's enthusiasm is passed on to the team, he or she can need to be supported by detailed people. That's why in many organizations, both transactional and transformational leadership styles are useful. Transactional leaders ensure their routine work is done reliably, while transformational leaders look after initiatives that add new value. Mahatma Gandhi, Martin Luther King Jr. and Walt Disney are famous examples of transformational leaders.